I will say only one thing. You should also try this recipe. And okay, let me ask from my husband. How is the taste? Tell us the taste. How is it tasty? Friends, these are drumsticks. And today I'm going to make something unique which I haven't cooked so far out of these drumsticks. What is that? Can you guess? Okay, let me tell you. Today I'm going to make bharta. Yes, today I'm going to make drumsticks bharta. I haven't tasted it yet, even, but I'll definitely try because I have watched a video and I feel like really making this bharta. And even I haven't told this thing to my husband that I'm going to make something secretly. So, friends, first of all, I have already washed these drumsticks, and my husband's youngest uncle he got many drumsticks, and many people, like many of my family members, they have got these drumsticks and they will make curry out of it. Someone will make, like, as per their own choice they will make dishes. But today, first of all, I'm going to make bharta out of these drumsticks. So I will share everything, each and every step which I will take to make bharta out of it. First step, which is really very important, that I have already washed it thoroughly. Okay, all the drumsticks I have all washed it, and now I will apply oil. Like, I will apply oil between my palms, and then I will apply a thin layer of oil on all these drumsticks, and then I will roast it on the gas stove. Okay. So first of all, I have applied oil in my palms, and now I will apply this oil on this drumsticks, and it is very important process, and then I will roast them. And all of us, we know that drumsticks are really very healthy. Even drumsticks flower and drumstick and even the leaves of drumstick, each and every part of this tree is really very healthy. And if we want, then we can make powder of it, out of the leaves of drumstick. And people, they love making pickle of this, but this time, for the very first time, I'm going to make birth out of it. And my mother-in-law, she also wants to make pickle of drumsticks, and she has asked me that watch one or two videos about that recipe, then we will make. And just because of I don't have any stand or anything, so I'm using this gas stove stand to roast them properly. So I have put another gas stove stand on one side, gas stove stand, and now I have turned on the gas flame on high flame, and now I have put all these drumsticks on the stand, and I have to roast it completely. So we have to have patience because it's going to take lots of time. This dish is not so much spicy still, just because of it's so much healthy, so that's the reason we should have patience. And you can see now we have to roll it. We have to actually roast it from each and every side so that it can get softer, and we can remove the pulp from these drumsticks easily. As you can see, these 5 drumsticks are already roasted, and 4 are still being roasted on the gas flame. Actually, I will have to roast it properly, take the pulp from these drumsticks, and then I will make bheta out of it. Meanwhile, some kids, they have joined me. Let me show you these kids. So all these kids, they have joined me, and now we will make क्या भरता किसका सहीजन का. So will you help me? मदद मदद करोगे मेरी? Okay. And now Moni and Nanka, they are assisting me, and they are also helping me to take out the pulp of these drumsticks. And all of us, we are using knife, and Moni, she is also busy extracting the pulp, and this is the toughest part of this recipe. And then after that, each and every step
is really very easy, but we have to have patience while doing this work, because you may get irritated with this work, because it's a bit boring task to take out the pulp from these drumsticks, but we have to do it. All these roasted drumsticks are, they are totally got softened, and now it's time to just do further preparation.
So this is the pulp, and now I have washed, sorry, these tomatoes, and now I will apply on oil, and then I will roast them as well. So now it's time to apply oil, a little bit oil, not too much. I have put it on the burner, and meanwhile I'm going to uh, do other preparation, like I have to get ready chilies, and I have to chop onion as well, and I have to also roast garlic, and then I can use roasted garlic.
So in the beginning, I was thinking I will make it as simple as I make potatoes bharta, but then my husband came and he was getting angry, so I turned it into a sukhi sabji, I would say. So I chopped onion, and first I seasoned it. I also added some cumin seeds, and then I added garlic, chili, and onion, and now I'm roasting it completely. I'm seasoning it, and after that, now I will add tomatoes. The tomatoes which I have roasted, I will also add those roasted tomatoes into this recipe. Then I will add pulp which I extracted or took out from the drumsticks. And now it's time to add little bit spices. So I have added a little bit, a pinch of salt, and half teaspoon of garam masala into this recipe, and one tablespoon salt. And now I we have to mix it completely so that all the spice they can get mixed in this recipe. And after that we have to cover it with a plate, and then we will have to wait it for 5 or 10 minutes.
And friends, now my bharta is ready, so you can see how it's looking. And all of us, we are ready to have dinner. And I have also made potatoes bharta. So all of see here, it's like a feast, and all kids are here, and we are enjoying this time. It's a family time. I will say only one thing. You should also try this recipe. And okay, let me ask from my husband. How is the taste? Tell us the taste. How is it tasty?
So friends, I hope you have liked this video. We will meet in a next video. Till then, bye bye.